Bitcoin has been creating this bear flag pattern, which has a price target all the way down towards the 26k level. So the question still remains, are we going to be holding our support level, or are we going to be falling down below and grab our liquidity below the 25k level? Well, Bitcoin is very quickly approaching this big dead cross that might be happening for the first time ever in Bitcoin history. So we need to talk about this and more in this update video, and without any further ado, let's have a look into the imminent short term, because we are currently still trading inside of a weekend and our CME close price is all the way up above the 27k level. So it is very likely to expect that beginning of next week we are going to be trading at about this level of these highs right here. And that will actually be pretty interesting, because that would mean we are further going to be consolidating inside of our bear flag that we are possibly creating right now. But for this to better understand what is currently going on, you need to have a look into the higher term time frames, because really what you can be having a look into is this support level right here. This one has been very important for the Bitcoin price, but underneath this support level there is a very high amount of liquidity, and usually around the Bitcoin price tends to trade towards liquidity, because that's how the market really moves. And also in the shorter term time frames, we can also still see that liquidity is underneath us, not really above us. And that is very important to keep in mind, because at the same time as well, the funding rates are also looking quite bearish. So majority of the Bitcoin traders are right now trying to long the Bitcoin market, while the majority of the liquidity is still below us. So in my opinion, that tells me that we are actually headed lower. Now, you might ask yourself, well, I have actually been quite bullish over the past couple of days and the past couple of weeks, because do keep in mind, ever since we exactly hit this exact low right here, I have flipped a bullish on the Bitcoin price, and we did see this very nice bounce towards the upside, and Bitcoin has remained to be trading inside of this uptrend. So that has been a very right and very good call in the end of the day. Now we are still trading inside of this uptrend, we are still holding our support levels, so I am still definitely bullish at these levels. It is just the case that underneath us is the liquidity. So if we are going to be losing this support level, if we are going to be falling down below, well, that is going to be the moment where I am going to be starting to once again flip bearish. And I want to make it very clear, right now I am still bullish at the current support level. As long as we can remain to trade above this support level, not break this bear flag towards the downside at the same time, and also still keep this hidden bullish divergence, well, I am still going to be bullish on the Bitcoin price. But if we are going to be losing these structures and we are going to be losing these support levels, that is going to be the moment where I am going to be flipping bearish and possibly even enter a short position. Because then, if we are going to be breaking below this support, I think we are going to be reaching this next support level right here. Grab our liquidity and then move back towards the upside, because we are still in this weekly uptrend as well. Now, at the same time as well, I have also been talking about how if we are going to be forming a bullish divergence on top of this support level, I will also really be looking into some long positions. So either on the 1 hourly or on the 4 hour time frame, I am still going to be having a look into some bullish divergences being created. And if we are going to be confirming one and still stay above this support level, that will also be a moment where I'm still going to be interested in opening up a long position. So that is exactly where I am right now looking in towards. We are also very quickly approaching this massive dead cross that might be coming anytime soon. And this dead cross will be happening for the first time ever in Bitcoin history. So if you want to know more about this exact event and what I think about this, make sure to watch yesterday's video, because in that video I exactly explain what is right now going on. And with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter, join my free Telegram channels with the links down in the description. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.